10 lines speech on National Unity Day. Good morning to the principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate National Unity Day. On this day, we honor the great leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He played an important role in uniting our diverse country. It is a day that reminds us of the importance of staying united as a nation. It reminds us to stay united and work together for our country. We must remember that unity is our strength and it is our responsibility to maintain it. Together, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. We should respect each other's traditions and values. Let us all pledge to build a stronger India. Thank you. So friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.